Jakarta. You have 5 to 7 minutes to present the result. Silakan, time is yours.
Thank you, Ma'am Iniatul Husna. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najmi Kurnia Ashri. I would like to express my gratitude for this opportunity so that we can present our research with the title The Urgency of Acquisition in Saving Historical Archive at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. Let me introduce you to our researchers that are Sabrina Irsalina Valiandra, Loita Sari, Siti Surya Salama, myself, Najmi Kurnia Ashri on behalf, Mukmin Suprayogi. Uh, I would like to start our presentation with our introduction. Ibu Lolita Sari, next slide, please. Uh, eh, the introduction. Universities as institutions that create, manage, and save archive have a, have a strategic role in preserving intellectual heritage. However, archival management in universities has not yet been centralized. Some universities don't yet have an archival center, making it necessary to establish an archive acquisition program. Miller stated that universities are obligated to formulate policies and programs for archival acquisition. UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta is one of the university that is currently pressing that are currently tracing, compiling, and saving archive from the Adia era 1957 to the current Win era. Therefore, it is necessary to develop an archival acquisition program involving various units and other information institutions. Based on this condition, the question in this study are how the, hos- the historical the historical archive acquisition program is implemented at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta, and what are the challenges in acquiring historical archive within the UIN Jakarta environment. This research is important to answer how the historical archive acquisition program is implemented at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta, and what are the challenges in acquiring historical archive at UIN Jakarta, which is expected to contribute to the development of innovative and sustainable university archive institutional policies so as to ensure the preservation of the university or heritage. Next, let's get. Uh, the method of our research is qualitative descriptive approach. Data collection techniques include interview with informants, observation conducted at the UN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta Library Center, and literature studies. This research was conducted through search of various units and institutions to explore archive through a static archive acquisition program. In this research, we use literature review with the concept from Biantoro and Krismayanti 2019, Putrin 2019, and Maher 1992, with the concept surrounding the archive and acquisition program to save university historical archive. And now, next question. Thank you. And our research is result and discussion include the process of acquiring archive at UIN Jakarta is carried out in several ways. The first one is establishing cooperation with external institutions such as ANRI, the Indonesian Ministry of Religious Affairs, and media outlets such as Kompas, and Tempo, which store documentation of UIN Jakarta's journey. The second one, visiting the families of campus figure directly to obtain archive in the form of photographs, official letter, and personal documents. The third one, opening archive donation to the public who have archive related to the history of UN Jakarta. And this picture on the right is one of the is one of the historical archive that provide information about the idea opening, and the picture was found from the mass outlet media led newspaper. Nah, the next one. Research finding shows that during the idea periods, archives were very difficult to find because most of them were not well documented. Entering the IAIN period, many archives began to be documented, such as photos of academic activities and the inauguration of professors. Meanwhile, during the transformation into UIN, important documentation was produced, including a photograph of Prof. Azumardi Azra opening the inaugural lecture for the 2001 to 2002 academic year. Uh, this, this is one of and this is the picture of the event that have been mentioned. The next one. The challenges in the archive acquisition process. Although the UIN Jakarta Library Center has implemented an acquisition approach, UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta uh, 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 although the UIN Jakarta's Library Center have implemented an acquisition approach, UIN Jakarta still have various structural and operational challenges. The challenges faced by the claim team and acquiring value from UIN Jakarta include distribution of archive across various units and communities, the existence of archive scattered across internal units of UIN Jakarta poses a challenge in the acquisition process, with additional time and cost required for the claim team
Recording in progress.
to conduct search in various regions. To address the shortage of archive of historical value, the institution has opened an archive donation link. The public can donate archive of several types, including letter, photographs, diaries, memoirs, manuscript, two-dimensional work of art, original recording, films, videos, architectural drawings, and objects of artifacts that have cultural, historical, and scientific heritage value. The need for a university's archive center, archival institutions are important for all agencies in managing their archive in a more centralized manner. However, at UIN Jakarta, the absence of an the archive center created administrative obstacles in archive management because the archive of UIN Jakarta, which are scattered across various units of UIN Jakarta, cannot be guaranteed to be managed according the standard procedures. Many of collected archive has not been digitalized due to absence of archive center, with archivists tasked with digitizing the archive at UIN Jakarta. As stated by Maher, every university is required to manage the archive as it creates both vital and historical archive. And the conclusion of this research. This research found that searching for and preserving archive required implementing an acquisition program searching for archive from the Fadia or Akademi Dinas Ilmu Agama period presents the most significant challenge in the acquisition process. As much of the institution's early historical documentation has not been fully compiled, the institutional transformation from Adia to IAIN to UIN has created a rich but scattered historical footprint across multiple locations, necessitating an innovative acquisition approach through collaborative with various stakeholders. The more the archive preserved, the more comprehensive the historical information of UIN Jakarta will be. This research provides an important contribution as a basis for developing sustainable institutional policies for higher education archive while also providing a practical foundation for future research in searching for preserving historical archive at higher education institution in Indonesia. Establishing a comprehensive higher education archive institution or LKPT is a key recommendation to ensure the preservation of intellectual heritage and strengthen institution identity. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam warahmatullahi